We are always on the hunt for a good pair of budget earbuds. If you're like most people, you may not want to spend copious amounts of money on earbuds. According to the marketing speak, the Vislla S7s have one-step pairing, IPX5 rating for water and sweat resistance, and long battery life. All that for 40 bucks. Let's check them out. Welcome back. As always, when I do my headphone reviews, I like to focus on three key areas: design, functionality, and of course sound. But before we dive into it, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. So the design of the actual earbuds are similar to the Impal Flame headphones. The Vislla S7s have very flexible rubber ear hooks, which are needed to get a secure fit. More on that in a little bit. The included storage case is hard enough to protect your headphones from getting damaged while being stored. However, the case is quite large for earbuds, but ironically doesn't have adequate room to store ear tips or a charging cable. Back to the ear hooks. Although they are very flexible, I struggled with getting the ear tips to make a secure fit, even after getting the ear hooks to fit snugly over my ear. I tried all three sizes and had no luck. Maybe I have a weird shaped ear canal or something. No. I've used plenty of other earbuds before in the past and that was not an issue. My ear canals are perfectly shaped. Without a good secure fit, this is detrimental to the sound of the earbuds. We'll get to the sound shortly. Let's move on to functionality. As with most other earbuds, there is one physical button to control all the functions: play, pause, next track, previous track, volume control, and answer and hang up calls. Pretty standard stuff. After the initial pairing process, upon taking the headphones out of the case, they will automatically connect to your paired device. No having to fumble through the Bluetooth menu to reconnect every time. Really nice touch there by Vislla. In my intro, I alluded to long battery life. According to the specs, it claims between 7 to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. But these headphones actually live up to that and surpass that mark. I was able to get over 8 hours of playback. I was really shocked by that. Very impressive. Additionally, the charging case holds 2 recharges. Okay, first, let's get the best aspect of the sound out of the way: bass. Now, the bass on these are well represented even without getting a secure fit. Makes me wonder how much bass there would be if there was a secure connection. Now, the rest of the sound, not so good. It's really hampered by the fact that I wasn't able to get a nice fit in my ears. Sound from the outside just poured in and I was able to hear everything around me. Quite annoying when trying to listen to my music with these. As I always say, sound is the most important aspect, and unfortunately, these fall short in that category. If you're looking for an inexpensive pair of earbuds just to have around and value battery life above sound, these may be for you. Those who want quality sound, look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to hit that like button also. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay nerdy.